Trying to launch your next hardware product? Are you tired of managing all your raw materials and vendors using an old-fashioned spreadsheet? Meet Product Hubb. Using 10 years of product manufacturing experience, Product Hubb is an online tool that helps teams get products to market faster. Simply upload all your bill of materials to the platform, and Product Hubb will automatically organize all your parts into an easy-to-use and trusted format. The built-in Gerber and STL STP file viewer gives you and your team a new level of control on your product. Once it is loaded, you will be able to easily share your product with vendors to get quotes and orders with a single click. Some items can even be quoted instantly with just one click. When the vendor ships your order, you can then easily accept it into your inventory and get real-time feedback from the dashboard on what matters to you most. Most importantly, Product Hubb is constantly being updated with new tools and features to help you get your product off the ground and into the hands of your customers faster and easier than before. Create your free account today and take control of your next product launch. Our product experts are there to help you every step of the way.